As the situation on the Korean peninsula is growing tense, China has proposed to have emergency consultations among the heads of delegation to the six-party talks early next month. The Chinese Special Representative for the Korean Peninsula Affairs, Hu Dawei, said Sunday, quote, "The Chinese side, after careful studies, proposes to have emergency consultations among the heads of delegation to the six-party talks in early December in Beijing to exchange views on major issues of concern to the parties at present." According to Wu, the consultations are aimed to properly address the situation on the peninsula and in accordance with the joint statement of the six-party talks, which was issued on September the 19th, 2005. Wu stresses that the proposed consultations do not mean the resumption of the six-party talks. But he hopes the consultations could help create conditions for the relaunch of the talks. The six-party talks involve China, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, or DPRK, the United States, the Republic of Korea, Russia, and Japan. The DPRK walked out the forum in April 2009.